guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in a collaboration called Christmas Craft Challenge, and it's hosted by Hannah Watkins DIY and DIY Glam. I will have both of the ladies' channels linked down below, as well as the playlist for this channel. The rules are very simple. We are to create a craft or a project. It can be one, it can be multiple, but the budget cannot exceed $20. They have stores of preference, but we don't necessarily have to shop there. They're like Dollar Tree, Dollarama, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and etc. You can check out all the stores that they have listed in the invitation on their channels. So I definitely did not exceed my budget. I have picked up these bottles that I had. Actually, I did not pick them up. I had them, but I did pick up this burlap rope or twine or nautical rope, if it's called, at Dollarama. And then I have also picked up these letters, which are from Dollar Tree, and they are Peace, Joy, and Believe. I will only be using Joy. And then I'm just using a snowflake that I had on hand. And then these paints come from Dollarama, the deep red and white. And I will also going to be using hot glue. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have gotten my paint ready, poured it into my little paint tray that also came from Dollarama, and I am going to paint my bottles white, and I'm going to completely cover them. It'll probably take a couple coats, but that's the first step that I'm going to do.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
And you want your bottles to be cleaned and nothing sticky on them before you start painting.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
So the next step that I'm doing is I'm going to paint my letters and my little snowflake.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Before I paint them, I'll cut the letters apart.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas.
Next step is I'm going to wrap this rope around the top of the bottles and using hot glue, glue it on.
Blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good
Next, I'm going to glue my letters and my snowflake on. I'm using Mod Podge, and I decided to use some red glitter on a snowflake.
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels.
So here they are all finished. I think they turned out really pretty, and you can even change up I just put the berries in, which I think looks fabulous, but you can totally change it out and put whatever you want in there. But the little bit of sparkle on the snowflake just adds a little bit of more of a festive touch. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would like to thank the ladies for hosting this challenge. I had fun creating these very inexpensive crafts or DIYs, and the whole total came in under $5, which I am super excited because I like affordable, budget-friendly DIYs. And I hope you enjoyed this video, like I said, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas.